Question: how do you install a bathroom faucet? Answer: the best bathroom faucet comes with easy and quick installation. You can install the faucet with a bit of DIY knowledge and all the essential tools. The installation usually takes 1 hour maximum, but it can take too long if you work slow. Here are some tips for installing the faucet easily and quickly. Number 1. Check the available space above and below the sink. It will help you to find the perfect faucet for your sink. Number 2. Pick all the essential tools including a wrench, towel, silicone caulk, knife, and plumber's putty. Number 3. Turn the power supply off and open the old faucet to release water from the supply line. Remove the drainage pipe and remove the mounting nuts with a towel or wrench if they are too tight. Number 4. Pull out the old faucet and attach the new one following the company's instructions. Tight the faucet with mounting nuts properly. Now your faucet is ready to use.